AI Proof Me. Today is the 8th day and I will talk on artists and creators. Are you being replaced or replicated? The goal of this episode is help creators understand the difference between replacement and replication and offer clarity on protecting their originality in the artificial intelligence era. Namaskar. I am 𝗪𝗂, a best-selling author, resilience strategist, and a work-life balance coach. Today, we step into very emotional terrain, art, creativity, and originality. If you are a writer, painter, coach, poet, designer, content creator, or simply someone who creates meaningful expression, you may have asked, is AI replacing me? But here is what I say to you today. AI can replicate your work, but it cannot replicate your soul. Let me say it loud. AI generates, but you create. AI mimics, but you feel, observe, and translate life. That is the difference between output and originality. What's happening to creators? Let us see. AI can now write poems, generate logos, design websites, compose music. Midjourney, ChatGPT, 𝗪𝗏, Suno, all these tools simulate creative output at a scale. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe now tag AI content separately, but consumers can't always tell what's real. That leads to doubt. If AI can paint, write, sing, what's my place anymore? But pause, don't panic. What AI cannot do? AI lacks lived emotion, soul memory, intuition from struggle, context from culture, healing from heartbreaks. AI can remix, but not reimagine from pain, hope, or depth. Here are certain real stories of reinvented creators. In India, a traditional crochet artist turned her hand-woven stories into NFT-backed legacy threads. Her authenticity could not be copied. In US, a screenwriter who teaches cinematic emotional arcs, coaching AI creators how to infuse real feeling into robotic writing. In 𝗏𝗏, a classical painter shifted to hosting emotional labs where people interpret AI art through their personal lens, transforming imitation into inspiration. All three reframed their roles, from creator to curator, coach, and emotional translator. Here is neuroscience of originality. A 2023 study by Harvard Brain Lab showed that human-generated creative work triggers 36% more emotional resonance in the viewer than AI-generated versions, even when visually identical. But why? Because our brains detect intent, pain, joy, and purpose subconsciously. You are not creating just art. You are transmitting essence. Here I provide you with the worksheet prompt. My creative mode. Download Creative Mode Builder. Protect your art in the AI age. It guides you to identify what you create that AI can mimic. List what you create that AI can never feel or express. Third, craft your creative signature statement in 1 or 2 lines that define your originality. As an example, I don't write stories. I mirror unseen emotions from forgotten lives. Here are reflection and journal prompts for you. What about my work comes from my wounds, my joy, my roots that AI could never access? Say this aloud. I am not output, I am origin. Here is call to action for you. Comment below. I reclaim my originality. DM me day 8 for your free creative mode builder worksheet. Tag a fellow creator who is feeling lost in this AI tide. They need to hear this. Subscribe my channel because on the 9th day is a game changer. Your new identity from role-based to outcome-based branding. Let us rebuild how the world sees your value. My dear friends, artists, creators don't fear the machine. Refine your message. Deepen your signature. AI may generate, but only you can make us feel something that lasts forever. Thank you very much.